Jeremy's down there going, no. Not on your best day. All right, I'm going to talk with my 4 friends real quick. I'll be right back. Don't run away. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to step up behind you. I'm going to tap you on the shoulder. When I tap you on the shoulder, all you have to do, move your mouth. That's it. Don't say a word. And your mouth does not have to match what I say. That's the funny part. All right? That's the fun. It looks like a bad Japanese movie. It's really cool. I touch you fast. That's all you got to do. That's it. And if I touch you slower, that's it. That's all you got to do. You guys get a great gift. We have a lot of fun. Let me come right down through here. We're going to come down. We're going to start with Jeremy. Let's practice with Jeremy. Jeremy, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that was good. Jeremy's good.
I sure am.
You like that. They're not normally this good. I'm loving this. But Jeremy, we're glad you're here.
Me too.
Good. Glad you're here at the fair.
I was going to come up here.
Well, we're glad to see you. Thanks a lot for coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
I like Christmas.
What?
I like Christmas.
Well, that's good.
I love Christmas.
Good. I'm not really a big fan myself because I usually get like stupid hats or stupid ties or ugly shirts.
Oh, yeah.
You've gotten a couple ugly things?
Oh, yeah.
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 Like what?
You want to see the underwear I got on?
No.
I'll show them to you.
No. I don't want to.
I'll show them.
No. We don't want to see them. That's how it usually goes with us men. We get some ugly, stupid stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what. You have a lot of friends here tonight.
Yes, I do.
And if you tell them what kind of things you like, I'll bet you'll get some nice gifts this holiday season.
Woohoo!
So go ahead, Jeremy, tell everybody, what is your favorite thing in the whole world?
Oh, I like to hunt, I like to fish, I like to drive the truck, and I like to play the accordion, and I like to sing too. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Don't sing.
I like it.
Tell you what we're going to do. We are going to talk to, your name again is Mama Heather. We're going to talk to Heather.
Oh, good. Can I talk to Heather too? Hi, Heather. How you doing? Good to see you.
I'm going to talk to Heather.
Okay. Doesn't sound like much fun for me.
You just stand there.
Okay.
Heather, look right out there, and Heather, tell everybody, what is your favorite thing in the whole world? Shopping. That's it? Yep. You don't want to do anything else? No. You just want to shop? Yep. You don't want to change your mind? Nope. Just go shopping? Yep. Okay.
I like to go shopping too. I like to go shopping. I like to go hunting. I like to go fishing. I like to drive my truck. I like to read the accordion. I like to sing. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jeremy?
Yeah.
You can't have Heather shopping.
I like it.
Heather, can you have your shopping? Nope. You gotta pick your own thing.
Okay.
We're gonna go down and we're gonna talk to Jerry.
Thank God.
Heather, keep an eye on him. Nope. Down here to Jerry. Jerry, look right out there. Don't forget to move the lips. And Jerry, tell everybody, what is your favorite thing? What is your, where we go? There we go. I think I hit the corner. Tell them your favorite thing in the whole world.
Well, senor, I tell you what.
I wasn't expecting that. Tell them your favorite thing.
I like to go to the toilet, senor. I like to go to the toilet, watch them dance around and jump around with their tight tights and their tutus, you know.
We pronounce it that way.
See? My English not too good.
Welcome to America. So Jerry here, he likes the ballet.
Oh, no, I love the ballet. dance around and jump around in their tights and their tutus, you know. Music, you know, I love it.
Good, yeah.
I like Taco Bell. It don't like me.
In a bad spot.
Sure am.
Well, Jerry, that's great. Jerry loves the ballet.
And I love it so much I even started taking classes.
Take ballet classes?
And one today.
You had a ballet class today.
I still got my tights on. You want to see?
I do not want to see your tights, no. I think so, Jeremy.
Jerry, can he have your ballet? No, you can go. Heather, can he have your shopping?
Nope. You gotta pick your own thing, okay, Jeremy?
Okay.
We're gonna come down here and we are gonna talk to Jody. We're gonna talk to our friend Jody. She can't wait to get in on the fun. Oh, she's been dying just standing here waiting. So Jody, look right out there and tell everybody, what is your favorite thing in the whole world?
Does she have an attitude? She needs an attitude adjustment, senor.
They told me I had to pick Jody. You got to pick Jody. Sweet, wonderful person. You got to pick Jody. She's sitting right down there. Make sure you pick Jody. She's a wonderful person way down deep inside. And Jody, that's the person we want to talk to right now.
Good luck.
Jody, look right out there and tell everybody, what is your favorite thing in the whole world? Get out of my face. Scaring me.
Me too.
Coming back down here to Jeremy.
I like it.
You like everything.
Yes, I do.
But you can't have everything. You only get one thing. So Jeremy, tell everybody, what is your favorite thing in the whole world?
Oh, I like to hunt, I like to fish, I like to play the accordion, I like to sing, I like to go shopping, I like the ballet, I like evil women.
No.
Oh, yes, I do.
For that, let's give all four of them a great big hand.